If your browser is acting slow, showing unwanted ads, or just not behaving the way it should, resetting Chrome might be exactly what you need. Hi everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Now, look at the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. The Chrome Settings page opens, and on the left sidebar, click on the Reset Settings tab. Next, click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. However, your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be deleted. To proceed, click on Reset Settings. And that's it. Your Chrome browser is now reset to its default state. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.